Miss Wynn, and today, first off, we will start off with roll call. Charles Gorilla.
Here.
Ling Nina. Present. Jessica Moose.
Here.
For today's lesson on conics, we will discuss the behavior of hyperbolas. First off, in your paper you shall see example 17. I would like for you guys to all write down these formulas. The first formula you have is the equation for the vertical and horizontal. So the equation for vertical is y minus k squared over a squared minus x minus h squared over b squared equals 1. For the horizontal is x minus h squared over b squared minus y over k squared over a squared. The horizontal and the vertical is h comma k. For the vertices for vertical, you have h comma k minus a comma h comma k plus a. For the horizontal, you have h minus a comma k comma h plus a comma k. As you can see, for the asymptote, you have y equals plus or minus a over b times x, y equals plus or minus b over a times x for the horizontal, if and only if center is at 0, 0. But if not, then y minus k equals plus or minus a over b times x minus h for the vertical, and for the horizontal you have y minus k equals plus or minus b over a times x minus h. For the foci you have h comma k minus c comma h comma k plus c. Now for the horizontal you have h minus c comma k comma h plus c comma k. In your example you shall see 9x squared minus 4y squared minus 18x plus 16y minus 11 equals 0. Next we have to do is complete the square. I'm not really sure what that means, but as you can see here, 9x squared minus 18x plus a blank minus 4x squared plus 16y plus a blank equals 11 plus blank plus blank. These two blanks go together, and these two blanks go together. For those who do not understand, whatever you put here goes here, whatever you put here goes here. Once this is complete, you will have 9 times the quantity x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 4 times the quantity y squared plus 4y plus 4. Then 1 times the 9 gives you the 9. The 4 times the 4 gives you the 16. So the total is 11 plus 9 plus 16. Now you will have 9 times x minus 1 times x minus 1 minus 4 times y plus 2 times y plus 2. Next you'll have 9 times x minus 1 times x minus 1 minus 4 times y plus 2 times y plus 2 equals 36. Then you'll have 9 times x minus 1 squared minus 4 times y plus 2 squared equals 36. Then your answer for the equation shall be x minus 1 squared over 4 minus y minus 2 squared over 9 equals 1. This equation shows you that this will be a horizontal hyperbola. Now for the center, you'll have 1 comma minus negative 2. For your asymptote is y plus 2 squared equals plus or minus 3 over 2 times x minus 1. Your foci is 1 minus the square root of 13 comma 2, 1 plus the square root of 13 comma 2. Your vertices are negative 1, 2, and 3 comma 2. That is the lesson for today.
Man, that was boring.
So right.
I guess you're right.
Man, we should do something else. Kind of like, remix!
Hey. They're just simple
Iconic, nothing ironic.
All these letters and numbers
Make you go psychotic.
They're just simple
Conics,
There's nothing
ironic.
All these letters and numbers make you go
Psychotic.
Here's an example of the ellipse. I'ma twist it around and make it look
Like this.
You got x squared over a plus y squared over b. Now that equals 1. Now wasn't
That fun?
You got 4x squared over there. 16y squared over here. And that equals 64. Now here's a little. Just a little more. Hey. They're just simple
Iconics and nothing ironic.
All these letters and numbers
Make you go psychotic.
They're just simple
Conics,
nothing
ironic.
All these numbers
Make you go psychotic.
After all that's done. and equals a squared over 16 plus y squared over 4. Now equals 1. Son. Hey. Step 1, you gotta find A, B, and C. You can't find C by using C squared equal A squared minus B squared. Hey. C squared equals 16 minus 4. Then you still gotta square root the C, though. C equals 2 square root of 3. A equals 4. B equals 2. Now what are you gonna do? Hey. They're just simple. Conics is nothing ironic. All these letters and numbers make you go psychotic. They're just simple.
Conics.
Nothing
ironic.
All these letters and numbers
Make you go psychotic.
You gotta find your focus. Vertices and co-vertices. But don't worry, it's easy as A, B, C. Focus is plus or minus square root of C. Which gives you plus or minus 2 square root of 3.
3.
Hey.
Hey.
The vertice is plus or minus A.
Hey.
Which gives you plus or minus A.
Hey.
The co-vertices is plus or minus B.
B.
Which